Good evening. Today is October 10, 2023 Tuesday, and here are the 7 p.m. Estel Visayas result today. Here are the Estel Swar 3 Visayas 7 p.m. result for October 10, 2023 Tuesday. Here are the today's 10:30 a.m. and 3 p.m. Estel Visayas draw result recap for Tuesday, October 10, 2023. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of October 10, 2023 Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.